Hey guys, it's me, Andrea. I know my username is Elsie Castillo. It's because I don't know. And if you're watching live, just please help me. Anyway, I'm gonna be showing my slime collection today. Yes. I'm gonna just place the camera right there and be showing my slime collection.